Yes. Yes, you can start.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love and respect you, God. I love and respect you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me this beautiful day to experience the joy of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you for bringing me in this magical journey through Kamaljit ji, guided by Monica ji, coached by Priya ji, and supported by all the members of the Magical Journey group who are blessing me and helping me to upgrade myself to the higher version and bringing a transformation in me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me birth as a human being in a great and diversified country like India. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful parents who gave me unconditional love, caring, sanskars, and wealth. They have made me what I am today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me a healthy body and sound mind. All my organs are performing perfectly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so thankful and grateful to my siblings and friends who always support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for all the teachers, gurus, and well wishers I have come across in my life from whom I could learn valuable lessons to make me wiser, understanding, and knowledgeable. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the nice home I have, which gives me shelter and comfort. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the air, water, and food provided by you in abundance, which keeps my body performing all the physical activities easily. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for providing me the opportunity to work for three multinational companies and to successfully establish their business in India. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for showering upon me all the grace and blessings which bring me closer to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am one with God and God is one with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful, Sanjay. Amazing.
ब्यूटीफुल यार संजय जी बहुत ही
Oh
ब्यूटीफुल
Amazing,
my
amazing,
थैंक यू अमेजिंग रियली
God.
अमेजिंग
I
वंडरफुल
think it's because of the
super.
gentle push given by Priya ma'am.
Wow.
She
हाँ क्या बात है
she just suggested and I was refusing. I was saying no yaar mujhe ko tension de rahi ho. But then I realized yaar
Actually,
it's
everybody should volunteer themselves because this is such a beautiful platform where you're actually practicing how what gratitude you're saying. So beautifully done, Sanjay ji. I must appreciate. Beautifully done.
and
Amazing.
thank you ma'am. And actually what I'm thinking is see I if I read this also to myself, okay, I can of course by heart it, but if I can read it also daily once or twice,
We
because
never
I'm
say
covering everything right from
mug
the
it up and speak. You just read it and just say. That's it. Just volunteer yourself to do say gratitude statement. That's it. You don't have to mug up. It's absolutely fine. You
because it comes in
create.
in flow.
Huh.
Ji ji ji. So I'm so
Lovely, lovely, Priyaji. Thank you.
Wonderful, Priya. Great initiative. Sujata, you missed it. With recording में पढ़ कर लेना.
and referring to Kamaljit ji, his invitation to me, I actually couldn't share this, but I just shared with him because he had sent this invitation to his family friend,
Okay.
his client, and they were our family friends. And it so happened that that invitation came to me, and you will
Wow.
believe just the prior week, my relationship manager from ICICI Direct was referring to this, and I had immediately got hold of my book which was lying in my cupboard for 10 years.
Oh
I
my
said,
God.
I said there is something, there is some message.
Huh.
Let me surrender, and that's how I just came in. So
Great.
therefore, thank
Let
you,
me tell you,
thank you
Sanjay
to
ji,
everybody.
it is not your decision. that you have come over here. It is the law of attraction who has attracted over here in this session.
Surely.
And this is the right time for your transformation, you know. And I really,
Sure.
really acknowledge that the way you are going ahead is amazing. Thank you so much for participating and taking charge of your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great, great, great. So gratitude statement is done. Thank you. So yesterday, the grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So everybody is going to get miracles in their life, whatever you are doing, as you're full of gratitude, you know. So yesterday the chapter was magic dust. How many of you used it, and any experience that you want to share, please share it over here.
Yeah, ma'am, I would like to share one thing.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बोलने में आई एम गेटिंग हेजिटेटेड, लेकिन
आपने बस शेयर करना है, कुछ मत सोचो, जैसे सिर्फ मैं बैठी हूँ।
हाँ, जो प्रॉब्लम के लिए हम लोग डिस्कस करते रहते हैं, जो की थी बात मैंने आपसे, तो रात को आई ट्राइड इट एंड सवेरे उठने के साथ भी आई ट्राइड इट, तो मुझे इतना अच्छे से मतलब के मोशन में मुझे तकलीफ नहीं हुई, टचवुड, क्योंकि आज थोड़ा मुझे ऐसे लगा कि हाँ, धीरे धीरे फिर थर्ड फोर्थ टाइम लिटिल आई गॉट यू नो दैट कांटे जैसा जो फील होता है वैसे हुआ, बट देन स्टिल इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग एंड इट वाज रियली गुड. मतलब मिरेकल जैसे लगा मुझे सुबह, पर हुआ ऐसा, एंड आई एम ग्लैड.
अमेजिंग यार, ये शेयरिंग सुनने के लिए तो कान तरस गया यार नुपुर, क्या बात है यार.
थैंक यू
दिल खुश हो
अनमोल,
गया.
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
दिल खुश हो गया, दिल खुश हो गया.
बहुत मतलब इतने टाइम का मैं कर रही थी सफर ना ऐसे, और मुझे आज सुबह ऐसे लगा कि यार रियली ऑल दिस वर्क्स, इट हैज समथिंग इन इट, इट हैज समथिंग,
it has a magic, you know.
yeah, it's really a magic.
So don't focus on it when you go to the washroom or whatever you are going. Just focus on the gratitude statement. That's it. Just gratitude, gratitude, and focus something else. You know, you're performing on the stage and everybody's clapping for you, everybody's acknowledging you. Just go ahead with that, you know, and you will see the magic happening in your life. It will be amazing. Right?
Pakka, sure.
And everybody in this community would love to see you on stage ASAP.
या हम तो फ्री का टिकट लेंगे भाई. हम तो फ्री का इनविटेशन जब तक नहीं, हमें वीआईपी पास चाहिए. हम ऐसे नहीं आते मोनिका, तुम आज चले जाना, हम तो वीआईपी पास से ही जाते हैं स्टेज पे, ऐसे नहीं जाते हम.
Yes.
ठीक है, पक्का.
Amazing. Anybody else would like to share this? Amazing. Thank you, Nupur. This is the wonderful acknowledgement and gratitude that you have given me. Amazing.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, ma'am. और थोड़ा एक ये भी मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि पहले जब मैं आई थी द डे 1, जब सेशन का था, तो तब उतने टाइम तक ना मेरे सोचने की, समझने की शक्ति, ताकत के पॉजिटिव भी कुछ हो सकता है, वो बिल्कुल नहीं थी. I couldn't even imagine a day जहाँ पे आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ कथक के अभी जो बंद हो चुका था वो मुझे करना है स्टार्ट. वो सब माइंड एकदम क्लोज ही हो चुका था, पर धीरे धीरे ना अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कि नहीं, मैं ठीक हो सकती हूँ. मतलब पीपल आर सेइंग कि तू तो ऐसे कर रही है कि कैंसर हुआ है या कुछ और नाम, हाँ ऐसे हुआ है, बट क्या है ना, that part is so delicate and yeah, इतना तकलीफ के ऐसे ना मन हार जाता है पूरा. And it's all like ऐसे लगता है कि ये दुश्मन को भी ना हो. दुश्मन खैर कोई है तो नहीं, but still I feel कि ये किसी को ना हो. तो ना वो जो सोचना बंद हो चुका था ना, I started that.
Wow.
मैं कुछ और सोचती भी हूँ अभी.
Amazing.
तो ये एक अच्छा हुआ है.
अब एक चीज समझाने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पता होना चाहिए. Nupur, what happened now? What is the transformation that happened from day 1 to today? You know what happened? Your level of slowly. तो देखो, सबसे बड़ी चीज important, and I want to create it for everybody, is that you need to have consistency in whatever you're doing. You kept that consistency. एक दिन में मैजिक नहीं हुआ ना, थोड़ा वाइब्रेशन बढ़ता गया. एक दिन वो आया जब वो वाइब्रेशन ने तुम्हारा जो भी चीज थी उसको क्रिएट कर दिया. Getting or it started creating it. So you know that is for everybody. कि हम धीरे 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 बढ़ते बढ़ते ना we can actually manage to create anything and everything. That is the power of these vibrations.
कभी कभी क्या होता है बताए, मैं टूटती भी हूँ, मुझे बीच में कहीं पे मेरा ब्रेक भी लग जाता है। तो पहले क्या होता था कि जब ऐसे ब्रेक लगता था ना तो मैं छोड़ती थी कि यार नहीं नहीं करना है, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, मैं बैठी रहूंगी, जबकि मैं कभी बैठने वालों में से थी ही नहीं। पर अभी ना ऐसे ब्रेक लगता है ना तो ऐसे लगता है नहीं यार मुझे खड़े रहना ही है, आई हैव टू गेट अप, ऐसे लगता है।
अब तुम्हें बैठने कौन देगा? प्रिया दे दिया ना।
मैम
डांस ही होगा।
मैम आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग विद जो अनमोल जी ने कहा है।
हाँ,
मैम ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज अपनी लाइफ में सिर्फ हर रोज का 1% डेडिकेट करो कि मैं पॉजिटिव हूँगी। इन अ ईयर टाइम आप 365% इम्प्रूव हो सकते हो। ओनली 1%। इफ यू इम्प्रूव
वेरी ट्रू।
1%, अगर आप 1% डेडिकेशन दो, और इट इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल परसेंटेज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट,
वेरी नाइस।
और आप 1% से 365% इम्प्रूव हो सकते हो। So imagine yourself improve how much you can improve. So I think that would be great. मैं बस 1% ही इमेजिन करता हूँ कि 1% इम्प्रूव हो जाऊँ, बहुत है। Daily.
हाँ
बहुत ब्रिलियंट पॉइंट बोला यार वरिंदर, आई लव यू फॉर दैट
nice.
man. My love
Seriously.
goes to you direct.
Thank you, thank you.
It was
Thank
such
you.
an awesome point.
okay, anybody else? Magic dust ka magic, see the magic of magic dust. Anybody else would like to share, or let's go ahead then?
Ma'am, I would like to share something, a very small thing. First of all, मैजिक तो आज आपसे मिलने के बाद पहले मैजिक ही हुआ कि आपसे मिल लिया।
How
एंड सेकेंडली मेरा अभी एक, मैंने अपनी वाइफ का नंबर चेंज कराया था वोडाफोन का। पिछले 6 महीने से चेक को कह रहे थे कि ना कोविड चल रहा है तो चेक नहीं भेज रहे थे। तो अमाउंट 166 रुपीज का ही था, बट मेरा चेक आ गया।
वाह, देखा तुम मेरे से मिलनी है ना तो कुछ तो अच्छा होना था।
यस मैम।
कुछ तो अच्छा।
वोडाफोन वालों ने पैसे दे दिए।
Wonderful, great. So let us move ahead. So every day vitamin G has to be taken by everybody. So when vitamin G is on, you are on, relationships are on, your health is on, everything is on, and wealth is on. So
मैम प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन नहीं है।
let me Shanaya. जीवन के किसी भी क्षेत्र में सफल होने का, आंतरिक समृद्धि पाने का, इतना ही नहीं बल्कि मोक्ष तक पहुंचने का एक ही मंत्र है, अदृश्य पर विश्वास। यानी कि इफ यू बिलीव इन मैजिक, यू कैन गो एनीवेयर, एनी प्लेस, एनी हाइट्स। सो देयर इज नो एंड, देन आल्सो यू विल बी रीचिंग, कहीं कुछ नहीं नजर आ रहा तब भी पहुंचोगे। जस्ट बिलीव इन द मैजिक in which you are already practicing, So always remember this. So today we have a chapter called A Magic Morning. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive. Wow. To think, to enjoy.
शेयरिंग ऑन नहीं है।
Ma'am, we can't see this. We can't see the PPT, ma'am. We can't see the screen.
Okay, sorry, I didn't.
Sorry for the interruption.
No, good. You told me. Otherwise, मैं तो अपना चलती रहती। Why this is not showing?
कोई बात नहीं, हम आज का पॉडकास्ट समझ के सुन लेते।
ठीक बात है।
मैजिकल पॉडकास्ट भी तो हो सकता है।
Now you see, you can see this.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible. Yes, ma'am.
When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, and to love. Anmol, this is for you. So, this is for you to love.
Wow, I love everybody.
I love it.
I love it. I love you, Monica. I love everybody here.
Anmol ji, we all love you too. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, Abia. Thank you. क्या बात है, thank you so much.
तुम्हारा।
बस यही तो चाहिए था आज। आज तो मैं पार्टी करूंगा रात में।
Yes.
We all love you, Anmol.
No.
Thank you so much. I love you all too.
Thank you.
Love you too.
Is going to read today? Who wants an opportunity to read this chapter today? This is a beautiful chapter of morning, magical morning. Come on. You should not ask. You should volunteer yourself.
मैं पढ़ लूँ
मैम
मैम?
कैन आई रीड?
Yes, Nupur. मानवी, नुपुर को पढ़ने दो आज.
हाँ जी श्योर मैम.
Nupur is in the.
Okay.
Come on. Yes.
Day 11, a magic morning. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Roman Emperor. The easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time. Because you can do it naturally, as you go about everything you do, there is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude, because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by, ma'am, the next page, thinking negative thoughts without realizing you are doing it. There's no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you will see the magic happen before your very eyes.
Yeah. So when you get up early in the morning and when you create, because there is a lots of opportunities are there in the morning. When you get up in the morning, you show lots of gratitude to what you are doing. जो भी कर रहे हो, जहां से start कर रहे हो, कुछ भी, you just focus on showing gratitude, and you will be saying, today my day is going to be great. I am going to have a best day of my life. This will be the productive day of my life. When you say those things right in the morning, the whole day is planned the same way. So start your day with such kind of gratitude. How it is going to tell you that also. Yeah.
When you wake up to the new day, today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift. And when you really think about it, it's inconceivable that any one of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day.
Just imagine you get up in the morning, just say thank you God. और एक टिप और दे देती हूँ साथ में, एक डाउन टिप कर देती हूँ. जब आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हो, दिल नहीं करता, अलार्म बंद करके दोबारा सो जाते हो, ठीक है. जब आप उठते हो, इफ यू रब योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, आपकी नींद भाग जाएगी और आपकी जो ग्रैटिट्यूड है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. Just rub your hand and say thank you God for giving me this beautiful day, beautiful morning, and just say thank to your bed for giving comfortable sleep. You could say thank to the pillow, bed sheet, whatever is nearby you, even the water that you will be drinking. You just rub your hands और आपकी नींद ऐसे भागेगी, ऐसे. Just try it out, and you are creating this gratitude for the whole day. Your flow of the day is created right over there. नहीं तो अलार्म बनता है, स्नूज होता है, उसको बंद कर दे, थोड़ी देर बाद फिर स्नूज होता है, उसको फिर बंद करते हैं, फिर बंद करते हैं. पहली नींद जैसे ही खुली है उसी टाइम फटाफट रब करके बैठो एंड से थैंक यू टू गॉड. आपकी नींद नहीं आएगी. टेलिंग यू, इट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल मॉर्निंग, एंड जस्ट create that gratitude statements right over there and see the flow of the day. It will be amazing. Yeah.
If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are, or if your alarm has woken up for work, or you have slept in during the weekend. The moment you wake, say the magic words, thank you for another day of your life. Say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? Thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home, so you can turn a tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water. Thank you. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. Thank you for. Ma'am, next page. Thank you for the ovals, the soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom. You use that makes you feel fresh, awake, and ready for the day. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear in one day. It's likely that the clothes you put on in one day come from many countries across the planet. Thank you to everybody. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for shoes. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed. First thing in the morning, you can still use this magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, then as you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say the magic words thank you. Give thanks for your morning coffee, tea, fruit juice, or breakfast. They make your morning so enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for your breakfast: the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, or kettle. Every day without exception, I say thank as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other foot touches the floor. So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you.
And always
As I
remember, put your right feet first. That means that is the right day, right time, and right direction you're going to take on that day. Amazing. Yeah.
As I walk toward my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked and I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one thing, good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I'm even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know those days when when everything just seems to go right for you. Well, that's what it's like after doing magic morning, but multiplied.
Yeah. So you can create your magic, you can create that magical effect for the whole day right in the morning, right? You just completed, then we'll do one activity. Yeah, come on.
Okay. When you wake up the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold
The magic rock in your hand and just say thank you, thank you, thank you for the best moment of the day. Thank you, Nupur. Amazing.
Thanks a lot,
यार
ma'am.
नोपर you got an amazing voice and amazing यार हमें तो पता ही नहीं था भाई कभी टैलेंट हमें भी दिखा दिया करो ऐसे
अनमोल थैंक यू और बाय द वे थैंक्स टू प्रिया प्रिया ने बहुत मुझे आज ऐसे कहा कि नहीं यू हैव टू रीड बिकॉज ना मुझे थोड़ा एंड आई डोंट फील शाय टू से कि मुझे स्टैमरिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं कभी कभार बहुत स्टैमर कर जाती हूँ,
अच्छा, ये
बट
बताओ
शी
कैसे
टोल्ड मी
करते हो आप, ये बताओ क्यों करते हो स्टैमर, टेल मी व्हाट इज।
नहीं मुझे नहीं पता चलता मैम, आई रियली डोंट नो कि क्यों होता है, कब होता है, कैसे हो जाएगा, और वो अचानक भी हो जाता है तो नहीं पता चलता।
रीजन है when your mind is processing very fast and your voice is not matched with the mind processor. When
अच्छा
it's mismatched, that is where the stammering happens. So when you
अच्छा
show gratitude to your mind, it will be peaceful, then both will be syncing together and then you can sing.
प्रिया, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you.
Monica, that stammering also happen when मतलब वही indirectly वही बात होगी, but when
Wait,
your heart, if
balance.
your नहीं वो तो ठीक है, बट जब आपका हार्ट में जैसे you're getting too emotional sometimes, right? या हार्ट जब आपका दिल भर जाता है ना, या भरा हुआ होता है किसी भी चीज से XYZ, तो भी आपकी स्ट्रेमरिंग हो जाती
हाँ वो हो जाता है, वो होता है मुझे।
है। तो you need to clear your, I mean, I'm not getting it technical, but you need to keep clearing your heart chakra, you know? तो वो चीज जब आप हार्ट साफ होता है तो वो भी क्लियर हो जाता है।
Next, Sujata,
हाँ।
I can love.
तो lots and so इस बात पे, खुशी की बात पे, सुजाता तुझे भी lots and lots of love, and Nupur तुम्हें भी lots and lots of love. Love you
Thank you,
guys, you're
Anu.
doing just wonderfully awesome. Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, now it is an activity for everyone. Everybody has to participate now.
Ma'am, children here.
Or-
I came to meet Mira and she wants to say something.
Oh, my darling, my sweetie pie.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for bathroom. Thank you,
Hi. Thank you.
God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you for Mama. Thank you, God, for eating. Thank you, God, for sleeping. Thank you, God, for bathroom. Thank you, God, for words so sweet. And thank you, God, for Mama.
Thank you. Thank you. So sweet.
So sweet. Lots of love to you.
Everybody has to participate. Now, first you get up from the bed. So how everybody will speak up. क्या किसके बाद कौन क्या करता जाएगा. Morning when you get up, you say thank you God that I am alive today. Now next, come on, fast. Next, thank you for.
Thank you for the wife. Thank you for the internet connection that I can be part of the morning ritual with Monica ma'am and the magical people.
Next.
Thank you for the breakfast I got in the morning.
Next. Come on, everybody has to.
Thank you for this beautiful day.
Very good. Next.
Thank you, God, for giving me one more chance.
The air that I breathe.
Air that I breathe. Wonderful. Next.
Thank you for the.
But everybody has to speak. Come on.
Thank you for the water, the hot and fresh water.
Okay, great. Next.
Thank you for the most productive day of my life.
Thank you for the wonderful food I got today.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you for the
thank you for
wonderful
the
food I got.
sanitizer and the mask.
Sanitizer and the mask. Very nice. Come on.
Thank you, sanitizer and mask.
Yes.
Thank you for the newspapers. ma'am.
Newspaper. Yes.
Thank you for the vehicle.
Thank
you, God, for the
मैं भूल गया. Thank you for this morning cup of tea.
Thank you for my router.
Come on. Yes.
Thank you for having a wonderful mom and dad.
Mom and dad. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for mom and dad.
Thank you for my stable job.
Thank you for my mirror.
Yes. Thank you for the mirror. Wow.
Thank you for giving me one more chance to improve myself.
Yes. Thank you for giving chance to improve myself. Going to the higher version. Come on. Next.
Thank you for my family.
Yes.
Thank you, God, for the riches of this universe.
Riches of universe. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you for allowing me to create a new day.
Creation
of a new day.
Yes. Come on. Who left? Forum.
Thank you for all the riches that we
Mama, I
have.
said thank you for the stable job.
Stable job. Wonderful. Great. Yes, Girish ji.
Thank you for the riches that we have and that we are going to get.
Thank you for the riches we have, what we are going to get. Come on. Yes, Simran.
Thank you for good health, ma'am.
Thank you, Veena ji. Thank you for good health. Yatish ji.
Thank you for my graphic tablet.
Thank you for the graphic tablet. Wonderful. Yes.
Thank you to be in touch with Priya. Anmol too.
Thank you.
Kamal ji too.
Yes.
Thank you for the smile we get in front of mirror, a big smile.
Wow. Thank you, Tanvi. Big smile in front of the mirror.
Thank you.
Arshita, Simran, come on.
Thank you for my family sleeping safely.
Said mom.
Thank you, God, for
Morning
Miraya's love.
good night sleep.
Good night sleep, Harshita. Yes, Simran.
Say thank you, God, for Miraya's love.
Oh, thank you, Guru Miraya's love. Okay. Yes, Sangeeta ने बोल दिया, ज्योति ने बोल दिया, ज्योति बोल दिया.
Thank you for the clean water.
Yes, for the clean water.
Thank you.
Anjana.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you for living in the beautiful city of India.
Yes. Beautiful city of India. Thank you for that. Yes, come on.
Thank you for
Thank you
the
for the work I do.
beautiful. Thank you for the beautiful house that I stay in.
House. iPhone कौन है भाई? iPhone.
Thank you for my laptop, which is working so smoothly. Always, I'm loving it.
Laptop. iPhone.
Thank you for the beautiful sunrise.
Sunrise. Wonderful.
Thank you for our Prime Minister.
morning, the flower smells.
Yes, calling us.
Beautiful fragrance.
Who is left? Who is iPhone?
Monica,
Neetu.
thank you for the chakla belan.
Thank you for the nashta.
Thank you for the work I do.
Thank you for the work I do. Wonderful. Neetu.
Thank you for the pollution-free air.
Thank you for the pollution.
Thank you. Thank you for the delicious dal I had for lunch.
Thank you for delicious
Dal I had for lunch.
dal.
Dal है जी.
Wow. खाना आ गया, सब खाना आ गया, मुंह में पानी. Smita.
Thank you
Thank
for
you for
Miss
the ball.
Thank you for Miss Monica and all the wonderful people in the magical journey who are with me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Priya.
So be it, so be it.
Come on,
Thank
Smita.
you.
I want to hear your sweet voice. Smita, Kiran, come on. Tushar.
Thank you for the government officials.
Yeah, for the government officials. Yes.
Thank you for our Prime
Thank you for
Minister.
the beautiful planet Earth.
Yeah, beautiful earth. Tushar, Smita, Kiran, iPhone. Who are they? Please come on.
Thank you for oxygen.
Thank you for oxygen. Yes, absolutely. So there's so many things. Wow. iPhone, Smita, Kiran, come on.
Thank you for making me a part of this lovely group.
Wow. Thank you, Kiran, for part of this lovely group. You are such loving, you know. How can you leave you like this? Yes, Smita.
Thank
come
you.
on.
Thank you for morning snacks.
For a beautiful day.
Thank you for the beautiful day. Yes, Smita. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Too. I will love you. Thank you. iPhone.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving a wonderful family.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you so much. Pooja, you have said this. iPhone कौन है भाई? iPhone नहीं पता चल रहा.
Thank you for
Monica,
my
that's
faith
me.
in God.
Pavan.
Yeah, thank you for creating God. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful response. Because, see, I'm telling you right from today. Today is day 11. Okay, you have spent 10 total days. 10 days में आपको अस्त्र शस्त्र सब कुछ आ गए हैं. आप उन सब चीजों को यूज करके मॉर्निंग में आधा घंटा, जितने भी शस्त्र है ना आपके, सबको यूज करके आधा घंटा अपना दिन खुद बनाओ. जो आ रहा है उसको नहीं, आपने अपना दिन खुद बनाना है. मॉर्निंग में इन द सेंस व्हेन यू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, से थैंक यू गॉड फॉर दैट आई एम अलाइव टुडे, एंड थैंक यू फॉर द बेड, पिल्लो, एंड देन यू अपना पैर जो सबसे पहले राइट पैर आगे रखोगे, फिर लेफ्ट पैर रखोगे. थैंक यू फॉर दिस ग्राउंड. फिर वॉशरूम जाओगे, टैप को, पानी को, सोप को, फेस को, जिसको भी टच करोगे हर एक को थैंक यू करोगे, क्योंकि दे गिव यू ऑल दैट कंफर्ट्स, राइट. शॉवर है, मतलब कितनी मेहनत करके वो सारी चीजें आपको कंफर्ट मिली हैं. जस्ट से थैंक यू. इवन बकेट एंड वाटर एंड वॉट एवर इट इज, यू से थैंक यू टू एवरीथिंग. बाय दैट टाइम आप रेडी होगे ना, ऑलरेडी आप 100 टाइम्स थैंक यू कर चुके होगे. So what a day it is. Imagine करो. उसके बाद आपने अपने 10 gratitudes लिखते हैं, वो लिखोगे. Then आपकी कोई important meeting है, you just sprinkle magic dust आज मीटिंग में ये होगा और ऐसे डिस्कशन होगी और दिस विल बी द आउटपुट. क्रिएट इट ओवर देयर एंड देन आपको 4 में जाना है, इन मीटिंग्स में जाना है, इसका रिजल्ट ये होना चाहिए. आज मेरे को बिल्कुल ट्रैफिक फ्री रोड्स मिलेंगी. यू क्रिएट एनीथिंग. आपने अगर शॉपिंग के लिए भी जाना है, क्योंकि आज मेरे को मेरा मनपसंद ये मिलेगा एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इट. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. यू विल सी, यू विल गेट द पार्किंग ऑल्सो. यू विल सी जो स्टोर का बंदा है ना, वो आपके हाथ पे लाके दे देगा ये चीज आपको चाहिए एंड यू विल गेट इट. सो you have your own day, create your own day, and believe me, it is going to be magical. It is going to be magical. बता रही हूं मैं, चाहे आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन है, चाहे आपकी ट्रैफिक में जाना है, पूरा दिन आप खुद क्रिएट कर लो. मॉर्निंग में आधा घंटा लगा के आपका दिन जो मैजिकल जाएगा ना, आप बिलीव भी नहीं करोगे कैसे हो जाएगा. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन सच, you know, एक छोटा सा वो था ये. Thank you. So we say thank you to be alive. New day, starting activity, clothes, shoes, flow of the day कर लिया, anything you touch कर लिया, जिस चीज को हाथ लगाया आपने. कॉफी बनाई तो कॉफी मशीन को थैंक यू करो, गैस को हाथ लगाया, गैस को, चकला, बेलना, what you have, you just say thank you thank you thank you, because every day is a gift. Whatever items you are touching, whatever things you are taking, they are gift to you by the grace of God. So just say thank you. And the most important point is raise your vibrations right on the top when you, with love, gratitude, friends, joy, compassion, happiness, celebration, satisfaction. और नीचे नहीं आना, ना एरोगेंस में आना, ना ब्लेम में आना, ना एंगर में आना, ना हेट में आना, ना रिजेंटमेंट में आना, ना डिप्रेशन में, ना वरी में, ना फियर में. आपने ऊपर ही रहना है. So you see your day will be a magical day. Right? Great. Oh, wonderful time. You know, I will share a video. This is a beautiful video. I would like to see. Okay. Come on. This is beautiful.
Scientific American, a prestigious magazine, says that 50% of what you talk about in your past isn't even the truth. You make it up. Because you don't
Ma'am, recording is on.
that you did 15 years ago or 30 years ago. So then, when you react
Ma'am, recording is on.
to someone or something in your life, you have a choice.
Yeah. So keep generating, यार. Create your own day. मतलब ये जिंदगी तुम्हारी है. किसी और को कब्जा करने से पहले खुद ही कब्जा कर लो.
सही बात है. प्लॉट पे पता लगा किसी ने बोर्ड लगा दिया, ये प्लॉट पे हमारा कब्जा है.
प्लॉट बिका हुआ है.
ये प्लॉट बिका हुआ है. पता लग कांड हो जाएगा उस दिन.
So be on the driver's seat, become a pilot of your life and just fly wherever you want to go. Please don't get stuck because of the circumstances, relationships. ये सब आपके बाएं हाथ का खेल है. मैं दाएं हाथ दिखा रही हूँ. बाएं हाथ का खेल है. Show gratitude, turn around your situations, sit on the pilot mode and just zoom. Who all are ready to take charge of their lives? Come on. और आप अगर आप लोग ये सोच रहे हो यहाँ बैठ के आप सिर्फ सुनोगे, नहीं, आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाना पड़ेगा. Yes.
मैंने ना कुछ क्रिएट किया है, मैं अभी ग्रुप में भेजती हूँ.
ठीक है. तो रोज एक कुछ नया नया क्रिएट करती रहते हो. और आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी, यू नो, लाइफ इज नेवर एवर सीरियस. इट इज अ गिफ्ट. लेट अस सेलिब्रेट इट. मैं मानती हूँ सिचुएशंस आते हैं, सर्कमस्टांसेस आते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आते हैं, सब कुछ आते हैं. उसका एक इलाज है विटामिन जी. द मोमेंट you touch vitamin G in your life, you will be out of it. Believe me. और यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं, सब अपनी मर्जी से नहीं आए हैं. You have been sent by the universe and universe want you to get transformed. और यहाँ से बिना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के कोई नहीं जाएगा. ये बात भी पक्की है. That is my commitment to everybody.
टेंशन मत ले मोनिका, मैं दरवाजे पे खड़ा हो जाऊँ, किसी को बारी नहीं है.
And moreover, मैं देख रही हूँ कोचेस आपको बुला रहे हैं, कोचेस की प्लीज बात मानो, कोचेस आर ऑल ट्रेन्ड टू टेक to hold your hands, so please help them to hold their hands and have conversation with them, fill up the form. वो फॉर्म एक सिंपल सा फॉर्म दिया गया है, उसको फिल अप करके देना है। मैं साथ खड़ी हूँ, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही, मैं यहीं खड़ी हूँ। जस्ट एक्स्ट्रा लव, extra support, extra care I'm giving you, and I really acknowledge all these coaches who actually are standing next to me, my pillars, who took initiative ki yes, we are with you ma'am, aap akele nahi ho, hum aapke sath hain. So I really salute all these coaches that they are ready to take it on, और आप जो लोग 1 घंटा रोज दे रहे हो, ये रोज के रोज भी मेरे से बात करते हैं, और वीकली एक कॉल भी होती है, सुबह 4 बजे भी मेरे साथ बैठे होते हैं। So they are ready to transform you all. So please support them, help them, whatever they need. They are here to transform you all.
भेज दिया मैंने ग्रुप में।
मैम
Yeah, Amit.
The thing you said, create it, like fake it, jitna ho sake utna. So when we wake up in the morning, so we should start creating that time, or whenever we get some like obstacles वगैरह, that time we should.
That is the best time of creation. The creation time is early morning. Preferably 4 और 5 बजे के बीच में करोगे तो दुनिया बदल जाएगी तुम्हारी। लिख के दे सकती हूँ मैं बात।
अरे मैम मेरे से तो उठा ही नहीं जा रहा आजकल, 5 बजे 4 बजे का।
Having a wonderful time, 4 o'clock to 6:30 we are
मेरा सपना है 4 बजे उठने का।
5 बजे आ जा।
नहीं मेरे को 4 बजे उठना है, मैं 5 बजे तो उठ जाऊंगी।
All are there, 15 people sitting in the morning at 4 o'clock together. Can you believe it? And we are having awesome time in the morning. We actually create the day for ourselves, creating magic in our life.
मुझे भी बुला लिया करो।
And moreover, I invite each one of you. You can join us. हम 4 से 5 बात नहीं करते, हम 4 से 5 सब एक साथ होते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ बैठे होते हैं, प्रेयर्स कर रहे होते हैं, अपनी 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 अपनी। 5 से 6 we do morning rituals, we do Gayatri mantra, we do meditation, we do mirror exercise, we do subconscious affirmations, and it is superb. मैं ना रिकॉर्डिंग करती हूँ, कुछ नहीं करती, बट हम लोग जो enjoy करते हैं, आप क्या सोच भी नहीं सकते जो हम enjoy करते हैं। We love each other, we wait for each other. एक बंदा मिसिंग होता है ना, तो वो भी हमें अजीब सा लगता है। So we are just a community in every day. Priya, what is your experience for morning rituals?
It's amazing, really amazing. पहले तो जैसे like I used to make like पहले बहाने बनाती थी, मैम आज ये है, मैम वो है,
कमर में दर्द है तो मेरे को दवाई लगानी है तो मैं इसको ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाऊंगी, सॉरी मैम, ओके थैंक यू बाय बाय। तीसरे दिन आके फिर बैठ गई।
And then उसके बाद there was no looking back.
No looking back, I know.
No looking back at all. And then when ma'am said 4 बजे, अरे बाप रे 4 बजे, then उसके बाद also no looking back.
Yes.
And if ma'am says 3 o'clock, I'm ready for that also.
I know everybody is standing next to me. It's like it's a community. Always, all of you, please try to understand. You are not here by your choice. You are here by universe choice. So please enroll yourself. Take charge of yourself. You will be out of the situations where you are. अभी भी जो लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, every day they are creating miracles. Every day they are creating miracles. So anybody has to ask anything, anybody has to say anything, please come on.
I can say one thing. If I know everybody has tasted honey. Have you tasted spiritual honey? Do you know what it is, spiritual honey? That blue light which comes within yourself. Wow. That blissful feeling, you don't want to get out of it. That is what happens in the morning. Everything is quiet. It's just you and that blissful feeling. You can't come out of it. Trust me.
Like हमारा मतलब सांसें
Exactly.
हमारा खत्म होता है तो हमें ऐसे लग रहा है हाय थोड़ा सा और it is just like that,
और मैम जिस दिन मिस कर देते हैं तो उस दिन ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं आज क्या कितना बड़ा इवेंट मिस कर दिया लाइफ का।
11 बजे से पूछते तू उठा था क्या, तू उठा था
हाँ आज सुबह 11 आई
रवि
मिस्ड
संडे
इट
सब लोग एक दूसरे को फोन करते, तू उठा था, मैं तो उठा था, तूने कनेक्ट क्यों नहीं किया?
and we
And
message
then,
each other.
yeah, and then I get a call, and then I get a message from Varinder ji. Priya ji, आज morning ritual में क्या हुआ?
Yes, we love each other, you know, we love each other's
And for me, it is like, yeah,
क्या ज्योति?
yeah, it is like कि अगर मैं सोई हूँ रात में, तो मुझे बस यही है कि सुबह उठ के क्रिएट करना है, सुबह उठते ही क्रिएशन करनी है, मुझे पूरे दिन की क्रिएशन करनी है। कैसे करनी है? बस उतनी जल्दी है मुझे उठने की कि मुझे क्रिएट करना है आज का डे।
And besides, you know, you won't believe it, but you know, the days that I was traveling, you know, I was really missing the morning rituals. I was really missing these evening sessions. I was really missing all of y'all so much. I was like, कब मैं, you know, घर जाके मतलब I restart these classes again. So you know, like when the pilot said, okay, we'll be reaching on Saturday evening, I was like, oh no, एक और class miss हो जाएगा मेरा. And then God's grace, I reached by 11:30 in the morning. I was like, yes, I'm not going to attend. I'm not going to miss any more classes. इतनी खुशी से पागल हो गई मैं.
So basically, you know, when we say create your own life, you become creator of your own life. You become Brahma of your own life. You become Vishnu of your own life. You become Shiva of your own life. That is the spirituality that we are talking about. We are not talking about any theory things. We are not talking about हम हवा में बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं. Everybody has experienced that. So create your own journey. Please, it's a request to each one of you. Please contact your coaches. Your life will not be same. It will be completely 360-degree change, you know. It will be transformed, not even changed, transformed. So I request each one of you, take charge of your life and, you know, be complete, surrender yourself to the program. You will see the miracles happening in your life. Miracles happening in your life. Thank you so much for listening to me. अब इसको हम finish करते हैं and like we will be on and on. End नहीं है. So let us start. Let me create the complete thing. So what consumes your mind controls your life. Practice gratitude. If you consume your mind with complaints, the whole day you will be complaining. If you consume your mind in the morning with gratitude, the whole day will full of gratitude. आपको एक भी ऐसा word या एक भी ऐसा task पूरे दिन में नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको disappointing हो. I'm telling you. This we have already done. So whenever you get up early in the morning, you will say thank you to the tap and water, thank you for brushing, thank you for clothes. जो आप choose करने हैं, उन सबको thank you करना है. The happiest people do not necessarily have the best things. They simply appreciate the things they have. सिर्फ उनको appreciate करना जो चीजें आपके पास हैं. आप देखोगे क्या होगा. Now, दुनिया में केवल एक इंसान आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकता है, वो आप खुद हो और कोई नहीं बदल सकता. No matter what it is, no doctor, no engineer, no scientist, nobody can change your life. It is only you, you and you. If you take charge of your life, see the things happening in your life. So today's assignment is write down 10 blessings. Again, magic morning कल से शुरू कर देना. और the moment you get up, अपना right feet and right left feet दोनों नीचे करके thank you, bed, pillow, bed sheet, whatsoever, आपका alarm clock, washroom, paste, toothbrush, जिसको भी आपने thank you बोलते जाना without any, just go in flow. Keep thanking till you get dressed up. ड्रेस करके भी ब्रेकफास्ट करोगे उसको भी थैंक यू, टोस्टर को भी थैंक यू, मक्खन को भी थैंक यू, परांठे को भी थैंक यू, चकला बेलना को भी थैंक यू, गैस को भी. सो कीप ऑन सेइंग थैंक यू एंड क्रिएट योर ओन डे. यू विल सी that you will be having a magical day. And at night, put rock in your right hand and just say thank you for the magical moment of the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you so much. The recordings are available at magicaljourney.in. If you have any concern, you can contact your coaches. Please, coaches ko jawab do. Please, coaches ko contact karo. You will be having a new journey of this magical journey. Thank you so much. Anybody has anything to ask, you're most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, and love you all, magicians. Go and create magic in your lives.
Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dilip.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you,
everybody.
everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.